Okay. Hey y'all. So right now I'm about to wash my face. Let y'all see y'all. Finish look. Okay guys, so I have finished cooking. I showed you everything.
Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want. I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me. 'Cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so damn proud. I lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close. Baby, I am on the way.
Hey guys, it's your girl Lenna, back with another video. Hey guys, so right here I was just saying that I had been to work. That's why my shirt is like this. But yeah, that's all. But anyway, so tonight, y'all probably know by the title of the video, but I'm saying anyway. So I just cut up me some pineapple, but I'm gonna do me something a little small to eat, and then I'm gonna give y'all a video of me cooking dinner. But tonight it's just gonna be like a little something for me because nobody's here right now but me. Oh, and my daughter, but she sleep. The other one's with her auntie. But yeah, so let's get into this video. Hey y'all, so editing Lena here. I just wanted to say that so I didn't cook right after, but I will after this. First, it's gonna be bathroom time, self-care, showering, everything after work, of course. But anyway, back to the video.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same.
This isn't the same scent as my soap, but I do like to go exfoliate real good with a good body scrub after I use my gloves. Extra.
Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of the center mind, intrusive thoughts, the paralyzed. Never fun is not, 'cause sabotage this. Got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn.
Okay, y'all. So get with me. I'm about to wash my face, and then after that, I'm going to go cook. Like I said, I was gonna do in the beginning, but anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this to show you my face. Everybody has peach fuzz on their face and everything, so that is what I'm talking about. This is how it look. Oh, be careful with doing that. Just like to let my face up, so I don't know how often people do this, but I wouldn't do this all the time. I feel like I just recently got these bumps in my face. Just making my face look bad. I don't know if it's because I did the shaving thing or because I've been working and, you know, all the stuff in the air. I don't know if it's that or what. But my face been breaking out so bad with bumps on them. And I'm not liking it at all. But yeah, I did want to just show y'all what I do. Like I said, I don't do this all the time. Maybe like once a month or something. I don't think you need to do it all the time, but okay. I'm hoping that all these bumps just came from, you know, dealing with all this stuff in the air and all that. And not because I'm trying to say, you know, to be careful of the off my face and all that. Just trying to keep my face wet so my face won't be dry while I'm shaving it. And it is going to be light red. And too rough. And you can see that, but you can't see it because I won't focus, but it's a little dirt on there. That's all with that. I don't do too much. Just a little light. This is how I wash my face. I don't have like the fancy stuff to put on my face and wash it and all that. I bought this brush to help make things more easier, but I haven't been using it. I just, my 2 fingers, put it on face. Yeah, but I'm showing y'all, you know, my routine on how I wash my face when I get off work. Let me just say, it's really important to wash your face, especially after work, because you like around so much stuff. It's really important. I'm telling you, your face will feel so much better if you just wash it after work. Y'all, I wanted to make this video for y'all so y'all could, you know, we could just talk, look, girl chat, guy chat, you know, okay, not guy chat, but guy girl chat, you know, so mainly girls. Or I'm gonna say talking to everybody, really, everybody, not specific gender, just talking to everybody. I think it's really important to make sure you're taking care of your hygiene, like brushing your teeth at night, in the morning time. I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm going to like to brush my teeth at night time, but I'm working on brushing it in the morning time. I do not be stank breath. I can't.
alone. I already packed the garage. None of these shits is a dodge. None of this shit's a facade. None of this shit's a mirage. Thought I was seeing things when I was seeing green. 6 God, CMB. Yes, sir.
Ain't alone, never lonely, alone, getting slowly, oh, you know me, yeah, meditate, you can take me to a place where we can't be, all alone, I let you hold me, 'cause you know me, yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh. Touch is making me feel way, ooh. When I get around you, I lose it, lose it. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. You make me wanna go deep, intimate, that you in me, inside. You deserve it, in my mind, alright. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh,
Okay, y'all. So I have washed my face. Yeah, I washed it real good. Everything was good. Now I'm going to do my lotion and stuff. So this is what I'm using. It seems to work. I think it works good. It's been doing fine for me so far. But let's see. Okay, yeah. So I showed y'all what I'm using. I like to apply this first. I'm gonna do that. I don't know if y'all seen people do this, but I've seen people do this, so this is what I've been doing. And anything to help me apply the products to my face better. And a little bit goes a long way. Trust me. This, I'm not gonna lie, you might have to apply a little bit more than what you think you are going to apply, because this lotion is really thick, so. But yeah. I like to really keep my face clean. Just because working and there's so much dirt in the air and stuff and people you're around. That's it for that one. Time for this. Now this one, you don't have to apply a lot because it's really loose, so it don't take much. Okay, let's see. it don't take much. You really could just spray it all. You can just put them dots or whatever and then spread it. It's good enough. You don't have to use the method that I'm doing. This is just like, you don't have to use these products or whatever, but this is just what works for me. I've been doing it for a while, and until I find something better, this is what I'm gonna keep doing. If I don't see that it's improving on my skin, of course I'm gonna do something different. But for now, this is all I'm gonna be using. Well, yeah. Okay. And that's it. Yeah, so anyway, but that's it. I have finished my face care. So of course I have a lot of bumps right now, but this is the real me that y'all are seeing. So yeah. Okay, now let's get into this next clip of me cooking a little something for y'all. Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to be cooking. Of course I'm going to add my own little mix to it too also. But yeah, it's a potato your way, zesty Italian herb, fresh honey, golden potatoes, a vibrant rustic herb mixed with a light touch of red pepper warmth and creamy potatoes. But on the side it has different ways you can cook them. You know how you want to do it. But I think I got this from Super One. Even Walmart, but I'm pretty sure it's Super One. But yeah. So we're gonna get into that. I'm gonna cut them up and then start seasoning them. Okay. That did not go well. Open is it? I have to use it.
Keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about you. Pigs like you. We all know that cat is speaking fish. When I spin that red play, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me. Better be ready to die. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left into the pain. But shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop. Imaginary smoke. Set it up. And put it on the floor. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left into the pain. But shit is not a joke. Smoke, set it up, and put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your man know if you don't, what's happening? Put that shit on the floor then. Y'all like to talk, put that shit on the floor then. All this imaginary smoke, all this he say, she say, you feel me? Let me know. I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the
package that comes with it. Okay, hey guys, so if you buy this, you really don't need to add more seasoning. The seasoning that's in there is perfectly fine. I just added a little bit, which I shouldn't have, but it still was really good. So that's up to you if you want to add more seasoning. But that package has a lot of seasoning, which is enough. These are the instructions, how you can cook them your way. $418 is what it said. It has to preheat first, but okay, guys. So here I'm just adding some oil into the skillet. I'm getting ready to add the little bell pepper I had cut up, and then some seasoning blend, and then also I'm adding some meat to go with it. But yeah, so I said I would do my own little twist to it, and I did. I added some meat to go in it, and yeah, y'all gonna see.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you.
Hey guys, so the meat was, after the meat was done, I had strained it. Always make sure to strain your meat because you don't want all that extra juice on it.
You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. Things will get canceled. I will make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, On my mind, stay on my mind. You on my mind, stay on my mind.
Okay guys, so I have finished cooking. I showed you everything I did, and like I said, with this you really don't have to add your own seasoning to it, because it does have a lot of seasoning in that pack, a lot. But if you want to add just a little smidge bit of your own thing to it, that's fine, as you do it. But yes, it turned out great. Look at that. Y'all, it tastes so good. Ooh, still hot, but it's definitely good. Y'all, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Definitely try this. Make this your own. Make this at your home, because it's really good. If you want like a little sauce type thing, you could probably add like some dressing or whatever you have to make it a little bit, you know, have some sauce on it or something. Or you can make you a sauce and put it on there. I thought about using this. I didn't really want to put no dressing on it, but I was gonna try it out just a little bit and see how it tastes. I don't want to make it not taste good. That's not bad if you're going for like a salad type thing. But it tastes good just by itself, so you don't really have to add anything to it unless you just want a sauce. But that was all for this little video. Self-care and a night of cooking. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Wait, make sure y'all subscribe before y'all click out this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, and I'll see y'all next. Peace.